Today we will solve some question based on standard identity 3, that is a plus b into a minus b. These two are the factors of this expression, a square minus b square. On the basis of this identity we will solve some questions. First question, find the product by using identity 4x plus 11y into 4x minus 11y. Now, a plus b into a minus b. Now, let a equal to 4x and b equal to 11y. Using identity, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Now, we are having 4x plus 11y into 4x minus 11y. First element a, square of first element, that means 4x whole square minus square of second element, that means 11y whole square. We will get 16x square minus 121y square. In this way. Now coming to the second question. Second question. The elements are in fraction. So don't worry. Let a equal to 3 by 2 m and b equal to 2 by 3 n. Now using identity, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Now here we are having 3 by 2 m plus 2 by 3 n. 3 by 2 m minus 2 by 3 n. So, square of the first element, that means 3 by 2 m whole square minus square of the second element 2 by 3 n whole square. 9 by 4 n square minus 4 by 9 n square. The same method. Now coming to the third one. Third question. P square by 2 plus 2 by q square into p square divided by 2 minus 2 divided by q square. Now, let same method we will apply. Let a equal to p square by 2 and b equal to 2 by q square. Using identity, that means a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. We are having p square by 2 plus 2 by q square into p square by 2 minus 2 by q square. The square of the first element, that means p square by 2 whole square minus 2 by q square. That means we will get p4 divided by 4 minus 4 by Q4. This is the required answer. Coming to the fourth question. This is the fourth question. Using identity, find the value of the following. 14.3 whole square minus 5.7 square, and B 53 square minus 47 square. Now this time we have been given in this fashion, in expression. These are the expression. We have to find out the value of these two factors by identity. Now here, when it is given in this fashion, a squared, so we know a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now we are having 14.3 square minus 5.7 square equal to first element plus second element, 14.3 plus 5.7 into 14.3 minus 5.7. 14 plus 5, 19, that means 20, into 8.6 equal to 72, 172. In this way you have to find out. Now we are taking up B, that is 53. We know a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here we are having 53 square minus 47 square. That means 53 plus 47 into 53 minus 47. That means 90, 100 into 6. That means 600. Coming to the fifth question. The fifth question. Solve by using identity. 97 into 103 and B 203 into 203 minus 197 into 197. Now very easy. First of all, I am taking this one. 97 into 103. Now we can write in this fashion. 93, it is 3 less than 100. So we can write 100 minus 3. Or 103, it is 3 more than 100. We can write 100 plus 3. हमें क्या मिला? इस फैशन में मिल गया मुझे a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Now very easy. Let a equal to 100 and b equal to 3 using identity. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So we are having 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 3. So square of the first element, that means 100 square, minus square of the second element, that means 3 square. 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 9. That means 9, 9, 9, 1. This is the answer, required answer. Now coming to the second one. I am taking up B part. That means 203 into 203 minus 197 into 197. We can write in this way. 203 square minus 197 square. Now, so A equal to 203 and B equal to 197 using identity. Two 203 square minus 197 square equal to 203 plus 197 and 203 minus 197. Now 400 into 6 2400. This is the way to solve this question. Now coming to the sixth question. The sixth question. Simplify a plus b into a minus b plus b plus c into b minus c plus c plus a into c minus a. Now first of all, from this we get a square minus b square plus from this we get b square minus c square. From this we get c square minus a square. Now open the bracket. A square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Now positive a square, negative a square, that means cancelled. Negative b square, positive b square, that means cancelled. Negative c square plus positive c square, cancelled. Result will be 0. Now coming to the seventh question. The seventh question. Find the product by using identity. Very intelligent question. X minus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square into x4 minus 1 by x4. Now first of all, from here, from these two factors, we have, that means x square minus 1 by x square, a plus b into a minus b. From this we get this. Now remaining x square plus 1 by x square into x4 minus 1 by x4. Now from these two again we get a plus b into a minus b. That means x4 minus 1 by x4 remaining x4 minus 1 by x4. नहीं, it is positive, it is positive, it is positive, positive. Now here again a plus b into a minus b, that means x8 minus 1 by x8. This is the solution, this is the answer. So in the next episode I am coming with the fourth identities. वीडियो देखते रहिए. आप लोग वॉच तो कर रहे हो, व्यू से पता चलता है, लेकिन आप लोग सब्सक्राइब भी नहीं कर रहे हो, लाइक भी नहीं करते हो, शेयर पता नहीं करते हो या नहीं. डू दैट. ओके, टिल देन, गुड बाय.